Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Favor, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over all that you need to apply for the letter of good standing from the Supreme Court of Nigeria. So this video is for people who have been called to the Nigerian bar and are looking to get a letter of good standing. Typically, most people need a letter of good standing either for their employers or to obtain an SQE2 exemption. If you don't know what the SQE2 exemption is, don't panic. I have a video where I talk about all you need to know about applying for the SQE2 exemption. If you'd like to learn more or you'd like to know more, please look out for that video. Link up here or link in the description below. Now, let's go over why you're here. To obtain a letter of good standing from the Supreme Court of Nigeria, you need a letter addressed to the Chief Registrar of the Supreme Court. Address is showing on the screen right now. This is the address as at the date of filming this video in 2026. You would also need to state the reason for the letter and the address to whom it is sent. So if you're addressing this letter for the purpose of obtaining an SQE2 exemption, you'll be sending it to the SRA address, which is also showing on the screen right now. If you need the Supreme Court of Nigeria to email a physical copy, you would be responsible for the courier fee. So that often involves an extra additional cost. Otherwise, if you need a soft copy, which often suffices if you're applying for the SQE2 exemption, then that can be sent to your email or sent to the details that was used to make the application in the first instance. What are the documents to attach when you're sending the letter? First, you need to attach your call to bar certificate. Secondly, you need to attach a valid means of identification. If you're applying for more than one person, for instance, to apply for an SQE2 exemption, where you also need a letter of good standing of your referee, you can use the same letter. So you'd be requesting a letter of good standing for yourself, the main applicant, and also for your referees, their names, their call to bar certificate attached, their valid means of identification also attached. You would also need your enrollment number. And I know this might be a bit of a tough issue for people who were called to bar prior to 2008. But if you participated in the 2011 data verification exercise that was conducted by the NBA, then you have no issue whatsoever. So altogether, you need your name, your date of call to bar, and your enrollment number. Also affixing the following documents: your call to bar certificate and a valid means of identification. Then you send out the letter. On the screen right now, I'm going to be showing what a sample request letter looks like. It might not be the exact same features that you would need to include for your own letter, but ensure that you're able to adapt it to suit your own need. I hope this video has been helpful one way or the other. If it has, please share with anybody that you know that is looking out for a letter of good standing from the Supreme Court. And please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment so I know just how helpful it was for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.